This is voice command, and this is where voice prompt is at on the QS. We have it off and on. If we go into the quick switch, you're going to hear the camera talk to you of the modes.
Photo, video, HDR video, slow motion, time-lapse, hyperlapse.
If we swipe down and go into the voice command, start recording, stop recording, and we want to change mode to record a hyperlapse.
Photo, video, HDR video, slow motion, time-lapse, hyperlapse.
Start recording, stop recording. We are able to do a number of things. If we are in quick switch and we want to get to the switch button, and you're on the main screen and you're hitting this side button, as you press the button here, you could quickly hit those three dots, and this is where you could turn on and off your switches. On screen switch, what happens here, it's going to turn on one screen at a time. I have the back screen on, the front screen is off. You can enable the front screen by touching it and swiping up. If you go into the back screen, you're going to enable it, swipe down, and you're going to go into the cog and you're going to hit the single screen preview, screen off when locked, disable. That happens every single time you change things in here, over here on the quick switch. If you swipe down, this is where you turn on and off your voice control in two areas. The cog, voice control here. If you X out and you don't want it, and notice the mistake saying the word X out, it shut the camera off. If you want to disable, you just swipe down over here, and you go back into the cog, and you can find all the languages that in the near future DJI should be adding in. We only have 2 languages. We have the voice commands only of start recording, stop recording, take photo, and shut down. So if you put this anywhere out there, you want to say photo mode, this won't happen. If you have it on the helmet, that is where the quick switch button and the voice prompt helps. You can hear the command of the mode you're on. If you want to be on video mode, you have to press the button. It is not a hands-free camera if you have to touch the button. So maybe in the near future, they'll enable video mode, photo mode, and so forth. That is the features and functions of your voice command. I hope you enjoyed the video.